Ever wondered if there's a way to tap into your own body's power to heal itself? Welcome to the intriguing world of Reiki. Reiki, a Japanese word meaning universal life energy, is an ancient healing technique that uses the life force energy present in all of us to promote healing, balance, and well-being. Picture an unseen energy that flows through all living things. This energy is what keeps us vibrant, healthy, and alive. Now, imagine a river. When it's flowing freely, it brings life and vitality to everything in its path. But when there's a blockage, things start to stagnate. Similarly, when our life energy is flowing freely, we feel good, healthy, and balanced. But when it's blocked, we might feel tired, stressed, or unwell. Reiki is like a spiritual plumber for the energy rivers within us. It helps to remove these blockages, restoring the free flow of life energy and helping the body to heal itself. It's important to remember that Reiki isn't just about healing physical ailments. It also works on an emotional and spiritual level, helping to bring peace, balance, and harmony to the mind and spirit. So how does Reiki work? A trained Reiki practitioner uses their hands to channel energy into the body. They don't need to touch the body directly. The energy can be channeled from a distance. It's a simple, non-invasive technique that can be used alongside other medical treatments. To summarize, today we've delved into the fascinating world of Reiki. We've learned that Reiki is a healing technique that uses life force energy to promote healing and well-being. We've discovered that when our life energy is blocked, it can lead to stress and illness, and that Reiki can help to clear these blockages and restore balance. We've also learned that Reiki works not just on a physical level, but also on an emotional and spiritual level, bringing peace and harmony to the mind and spirit. And we found out that Reiki is a simple, non-invasive technique that can be used alongside other medical treatments. So next time you're feeling out of sorts, remember, your body has the power to heal itself. And with a little help from Reiki, you can tap into that power and start your journey towards balance, peace, and well-being.